Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to put coolant in a Chrysler Town and Country. First, always prioritize safety. Make sure your engine is completely cool, as hot coolant can cause severe burns. Wear appropriate safety gear like gloves and eye protection to prevent any accidents. Parking on a level surface ensures you get an accurate reading of your coolant levels. Always check your owner's manual for the correct coolant type. Using the wrong one can damage your engine. Now, let's find where the coolant goes. Locate the translucent plastic coolant reservoir, typically on the passenger side near the radiator. You'll see min and max lines on the side. Your coolant level should be between these two marks. While you're there, take a moment to inspect all coolant hoses for any cracks, bulges, or leaks. Remember, the radiator cap should only be opened when the engine is completely cool to avoid injury. When adding coolant, it's crucial to use the exact type specified for your Chrysler Town and Country. This information is in your owner's manual. Carefully pour the coolant into the reservoir, filling it slowly until it reaches the max fill line. Be careful not to overfill, as the coolant needs space to expand when hot. If your radiator itself is low, you can add coolant directly to the radiator, but only when the engine is completely cool. After adding coolant, securely replace both the reservoir cap and the radiator cap. Start your engine and turn your heater to its highest setting. This helps circulate the new coolant and bleed any trapped air from the system. Keep a close eye on your temperature gauge to ensure the engine doesn't overheat. Once the engine has cooled down completely, recheck the coolant level in the reservoir and top it off if necessary. Regular checks help maintain engine health.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.